Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. There was something that I saw recently after it was brought to my attention, and I was asked, what's my position concerning the statement? One of the brothers who claims he's calling to the Sunnah, inshallah he is, he is very preoccupied and busy at Speaker's Corner in the UK. He had mentioned, and I saw with my own eyes and I heard it, he said MBS is Salafi. He said he's Salafi, Sunni. He said he has mistakes, but he's Salafi. When I saw that, I thought it was a classic case of what we have today, where we have the politicization of a Salafiyah. You know, people politicize the dawah. Sheikhs come to our country, sheikhs be in our country, and they visit us and we ask them questions, and they put their politics on us. It happened to my community in America, where we were given dawah to Allah, and sheikhs got involved. And some of our brothers made mistakes, no doubt about that. But instead of the sheikhs managing the problem, handling the problem, they got too deep in our personal affairs. We are an independent, sovereign country. We listen to sheikh's advice. We don't want the sheikh to make a tadakhul, tell us who should be the imam, who shouldn't be the imam, and ordering us to do things. Ala kullin, as it relates to this issue, MBS is Salafi. I was shocked. I wasn't shocked because I'm here in order to say MBS is not Salafi or is Salafi. My issue is really going back to, here it is. MBS is like any other Muslim. He has good and he has bad. And we try to be balanced in our views, in our assessments, in our rulings, and our judgments. And I am not here to get on any person. I'm trying to make a point here. And that is, MBS is Salafi. Okay, no problem. I'm not saying he's not. Allahu Alam. But why is he Salafi? Why is he Salafi with all that is going on and everybody can see it? Everybody can see it. And the point for me is not he's this, he's that. But there's so much going on. But your brother over here, who's an Ajami, he's a revert Muslim. Your brother over here is a Muslim who's trying to struggle to be on the dawah of the Kitab and the Sunnah according to the understanding of the Salaf of the Ummah. But when he disagrees with you, he disagrees with an individual from your group, he disagrees with your sheikh. Wallahi, I disagree with so much of what the sheikh of the Ghurat say. And I've been disagreeing with them for years in public. I disagree with that madness of, people politicizing and using us as a pawn in their game of chess to call to whatever they want to call to and make the tahqiq of whatever they want to make the tahqiq of. I'm against that. And now, after all of these years in 2023, we have to have some older Salafi brothers who are going to say, we're not going for that madness. We heard the position of the sheikh, the advice of the sheikh. We don't agree. May Allah bless the sheikh. And we're not going to fight each other over the sheikh's position. But anyway, this is the issue. Your miskin brother says something that you deem is not correct. It may actually be correct what he said, but you deem it not to be correct. But you exclude him and excommunicate him from Salafiyah. And if you were to look at the zahir of his actions and statements and his mistakes, they pale in comparison to MBS. Ya qawm, kayfa tahkumun? What is this? What is this? And don't get it conflated and confused. Don't do that. I'm not here to say MBS is a kafir or mubtadi, or that he's from the awliya of Allah and he's Salafi quh. I'm not here to say that. I'm here to say, once again, stop politicizing al-Islam and stop having a tala'ub in the religion. Let's stop doing that. Let's stop. If he's Salafi, which he could be, I don't know. I'm not saying he is. Then if he's Salafi, then well, why your Salafi brother? You don't. Why isn't he Salafi? And he doesn't do a fraction of what MBS is doing, and Allah knows best. That's food for thought. Stop weaponizing the religion. Stop politicizing the religion. The Sunnah and Salafiyah, it is not connected to any country at all. A Salafi is al-Islam al-Musaffa, pure Islam, unadulterated. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.